Y'all already know who I be, and if you don't know, Swole Waiver. Hey, before I get started, y'all, I want y'all to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that share button. I'm saying this now because my knowledge is concrete and my results are solid. So I'm telling you right now, before we go any further in this video, do that now. Subscribe, like, share. Let's get into this video. Okay, I'm making this video today because I wanted to show people how to hit that crown with a curved brush. I don't care what brand of brush it is. If it's curved, you got to hit your crown a different way. And this is for anybody with a 540 swirl, 360 swirl. I'm not too sure about the beehive because I haven't seen too many people with beehives trying to swirl their crown. But this will definitely help out anybody with a 360 swirl or 540 swirl. So if you don't have that and you ain't even thinking about getting that type of crown, then don't even waste your time watching this video because I don't want you hitting the dislike button. Just stop the video right now and go to somebody else's channel because I don't want to waste nobody's time. I just came back from the gym, but I left my do-rag on for a purpose because I didn't want you all thinking that I staged the way my crown looks. If you're new to this channel, go look at my earlier channels from back in July and you can see how far my crown has come. And for everybody who's been rocking with me, if you forgot what my crown looked like, definitely go back and check out those prior videos so you can see what it was, because I'm about to show you what it is today. All off of how I've been attacking my crown with this curved brush. The reason I'm doing it with a curved brush is because hitting the crown with the curve is a lot different than hitting it with one of these straight brushes. Okay, so let's get into it. All right, I wanted to, like I said, leave my do-rag on so y'all can see. I just came back from the gym and I did a lot of sweating and my crown is still intact. I'm gonna also put a before and after picture of my crown when I first started. Y'all can even see in the thumbnail right there how my crown used to look compared to how I look now. It's a lot different. Okay, don't ride me because I got grays and it is what it is. 37 years old. Sometimes I color my hair, sometimes I don't. Right now, I don't care. Okay, so y'all can see how my crown looking. You see how my crown looking? That should be a good angle for y'all right there. And right next to it, I'm gonna put how my crown used to look. You see that? My crown has come a long way. So I'm not gonna make this video too long. I just want to show y'all how I attack it. So before I even get going with the brush, I like to comb around my crown to make sure that I'm lifting the hairs right before I lay it back down with the brush. So I'm gonna do that for y'all real quick. Okay, so right now I'm looking at how my crown is going. So as you can see right here, my swirl starts right here. My swirl starts right here. So when I'm combing, I'm combing in the direction of where my swirl is going. All right, so it starts here, and right before it gets here, you see that right there? It stops right there. So I'm combing this way. Then when I get up here, I'm combing that way. When I come here, I'm combing that way. And when I come over here, I'm combing down. So I'm gonna comb this out for y'all real quick. Remember, you don't have to be speed combing or nothing like that. Just making sure you're hitting that crown in the angles that you brush in. You see, I stop it right here. Now, I'm about to hit it going up in just my crown area. Boom. It's just a quick tutorial. This ain't a session for me. All right, hit that. Now I'm about to hit it going down. Study your crown before you even get going, man. Step back, get your mirror, and study it first. All right, now that I got it all combed out, I'm about to show you how to hit your crown with this brush. First, how I grab the brush, index finger on the tip of the, on the point of the brush, right here, so I can have control. Now, what I'm gonna do now is take my brush, and I don't brush from the crown all the way down. When I'm working my crown, I'm just working my crown. You can do however you want, but you don't have to go from the crown down. And you see my waves from here down to the crown is on point almost. And that's because I do it the way I do it. All right, so here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the tip of the brush and I'm gonna like overlap like right here. I'm not gonna start brushing from right here. I'm gonna get that tip inside the point of my crown. So right here, y'all see that? The tip is in the crown. Tip of the brush. And I'm brushing down. Brushing down. Making sure it's in there. Brushing down. So it's sort of like overlap brushing. All right, now that that's done like that, I take the tip of the brush again and I just swirl it over. Because I look to see how my waves are going. So I just swirl it over. You see, I'm just brushing little at a time. I'm not going from here all the way down because I'm focusing on the crown. When I'm brushing my whole head, I go from the crown down. But when I'm focusing on the crown, that's what I'm focusing on. I don't care about the other parts of my hair. This is crown focus. All right. You see, I'm going inside that crown with the tip of the brush. Now when I get over here, same rules apply. I'm controlling it. So y'all can see, I'm controlling it. Get that tip inside that crown. You want to close it up. Don't be afraid, because I was nervous when I first started doing this too. And then I saw the results. Get that tip inside that crown. All right. Get it in there. If you want to close it up, this is what you got to do. All right. Now that I hit that side, now it's time to hit up here. So again, this time I'm gonna put my thumb on the crown of the brush. So I'm gonna come right here and I'm putting the brush right in the center of my crown, right here. And I'm gonna pull. So it's sort of like I'm overlapping. I hope y'all can see that. Overlapping. Now after you went over your crown a little bit, then you can start focusing on the rest of your head. But when you're doing crown work, that's all you want it to be, is crown work. All right. Then after I attack that crown, That's when I go in with a full brush session. Hopefully y'all can see that. So that's how you close your crown up. Don't be afraid to use the tip of that brush and get in there. Get in there. It's okay. You overlapping. It's fine. So this is to help anybody who trying to get 540s and having problems with their crown, or anybody who got 360s and trying to swirl that crown. That's what you do. Get the tip of that brush in there. Don't be afraid, and it'll work out, man. I promise you. All right? That's how you do that. Right there. All right, I just wanted to show you all that real quick. Y'all get at a try. Remember, when you're doing your crown, focus on your crown. And then after you've put enough work into your crown, then you hit the rest of your head. Don't be afraid to get the tip of that curved brush inside that crown area and get to really working that swirl that you're trying to develop. All right. So I want to thank you all for watching this video. Remember, keep coming back for more content. I'm going to try to make this as simple as possible and help you all learn and teach you all as much as I can, because getting waves really ain't that hard. It ain't a science to it. I don't care what products you use. If you ain't brushing, you ain't waving, all right? Straight like that. To me, products only serve 3 purposes. It's to moisturize, give your hair a nice shine, and to help lay your hair down. That's all a product is to me. It ain't no miracle worker, because if I ain't brushing, then I wouldn't be this far along in my wave journey as I am now. So stop worrying about the products that you need and just worry about how much you brushing. You brush, you're gonna get them waves, all right? Come back for more content, whether it be waves or fitness. Come back for more content, and I'm gonna keep hitting y'all with more, all right? So y'all have a good day, and Swole Waver, get at you later. I'm out.
Shit, that's just too easy. No, that shit is too easy. It's too easy. No. That shit is too easy. Fuck it. I don't want to play no more. I'm through. I don't play no more. We don't want to play no more.